Hey, my name is Marcel. I have a PhD in chemical engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to use Python to create a full factorial design plan. First, a simple two-level design and then a more advanced multi-level design. And we're going to use ChatGPT for writing the code. If you don't know what Python is yet or don't have it installed on your computer, then I have linked the perfect video for you in the video description. You learn everything you need to know about what Python is and how to get it installed on your computer, and at the end of the video you will have programmed your own snake game. If that sounds lame to you, let's get started with creating a full factorial design in Python. In this video we'll be using the PyDOE2 package, which is designed specifically for constructing experimental designs. So let's start by installing the package real quick. It's really easy. We use the pip installer, which means you just need to execute this line of code here. Once it's installed, we can move on to creating our first two-level full factorial design. Let's assume we are working with 4 factors: temperature, pressure, concentration, and steering rate. Each of these factors we want to test at 2 levels. We can, of course, check the documentation of PyDOE, find the right function to use, and do it manually. It isn't that difficult, but I also promise you that we are going to use ChatGPT to do the hard work. So let's do that. It might also work with the general ChatGPT, even the free one. But I have put the link of a fine-tuned version into the video description, which should give much better and reliable code output. I guess you are familiar with ChatGPT by now. It's also pretty much self-explanatory. This fine-tuned version here works exactly the same as the regular ChatGPT. I just gave it some more additional context so that it should give you more reliable output with respect to programming for DOE purposes and creating experimental design plans. So what do we need to do? Well, you just prompt whatever design plan you want to create. In our example, that could look something like this. Please give me the code to create a 2-level full factorial design in Python. The 4 factors are temperature, pressure, concentration, and steering rate. And here you go. You get the Python code written by ChatGPT and only have to copy that code over to our Jupyter notebook, execute it, and here it is, a full factorial design plan for 4 factors. Now, if you want to save the design matrix to Excel, for example, we go back to ChatGPT and prompt, how can I save the design matrix to an Excel file? Or if you want to convert it into a more readable format, we prompt, please convert the output into a more readable format with the factors added as headers and the dummy coded levels being the following: temperature 100 and 180, pressure 1 and 10, concentration 0.01 and 0.1, and steering rate 1000 and 3000. And from there you just copy the output to your Jupyter notebook file, execute it, and here you go. This works the same for multi-level designs. You can again either head over to the PyDOE documentation, find the right function and code it manually by hand, which again is not that difficult. Or we go to ChatGPT again, rephrase the previous 2-level design prompt to something like, please provide Python code to generate a full factorial design with 4 factors: temperature, pressure, concentration, and steering rate, each with different numbers of levels. The levels are as follows: temperature 2 levels, pressure 3 levels, concentration 4 levels, and steering rate 5 levels. ChatGPT will create the Python code for us that we again copy-paste to our Jupyter notebook, execute it, and get the design plan here that we can fine-tune similar to what we've done earlier. Now, while everything that I just showed you is really great, please do not blindly trust ChatGPT with anything. Make sure that you understand the output that it gives you, then it will be a lot of fun to work like that. Let me know in the comments what you think of ChatGPT as your coding assistant, and also feel free to share helpful tips and tricks. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like that.